cube that turns? Yeah. Why? Can I play with it, though? But you have to be very careful. This is my main. Thanks. Whoa, this is so cool. Can I scramble it for you? Yeah. Did you just drop it? Oh, sorry. At least it didn't break. I'll just do a quick solve real quick. Okay? Oh, how did you solve it so quick? Want to learn how to solve it? Oh, just go on to YouTube and search how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Okay, I gotta go now. Bye. Whoa, I'm so happy I just solved that before I left. Is that a 7 by 7? No, there's nothing here. Oh, okay. That was a close one. Oh, no. I guess just go take a nap real quick. Who's there? Oh, I heard you can solve a Rubik's Cube. Oh no, not another person. Sub if you like this video, by the way. The end of the video is going to be in 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys.